need to push this hub out of the bearing, and I'll show you how to do this without any special tooling. As you can see, it's moved down after a couple of swings of the sledge. After a few more hits, the hub is almost all the way out. With the hub removed, we've got access to the backing plate fixing screws and the C-clip that holds the bearing in place. You need a very good pair of C-clip pliers for this and a screwdriver to prise it up once you've compressed it. This is the tool that I use to take the old bearing out and put the new one in without damaging it. Let's clean this up. Remove the pin bush using a hammer and a socket. Now this side is fully assembled. I'll wait for the brake fitting kit and then I can put the brake shoes on and get on with the other side.